Wait until you see these 4 teardrop campers. They have everything, including a bathroom, and you can stand up in them. But there's more. Because they're small, they're perfect for beginners, or those that just want it all without the hassle of towing a large RV. Let's start with the smallest teardrop and work our way up to the largest one. The overall length of the little guy Mini Max is 17 feet and 2 inches. And this is what it looks like when you first step into the little guy Mini Max. The kitchen is located in the front of this teardrop camper, and the dinette and the bed area are located in the rear. This trailer has a ceiling height of 6 feet, and it's the shortest ceiling height of all 4 of these teardrop trailers. The kitchen has a sink, a 2-burner gas stove, and a microwave that's located below the sink. It's the smallest teardrop on this list, but it's got the largest refrigerator. Now, looking towards the rear of the camper, on the left-hand side is a really nice storage cabinet. I'm really surprised at how much storage space they've packed into this small teardrop camper. I always say windows in small campers are so important. They make the space feel so much larger than it really is. I love this stargazing window, but wait until you see the window in the 3rd teardrop camper coming up. This area is the dinette area, and then when you put all the cushions down, it converts into a bed. All 4 of these teardrop campers have a wet bath, which means the toilet and the shower are all in one space. In this video, I'm sharing a quick overview of these 4 teardrop campers so that you can compare them. But you're probably going to want to see a full walkthrough of them, or at least your favorite one. So at the end of this video, I'll share the full walkthrough videos with you so you can watch your favorite one. The next largest teardrop trailer is the NUCAMP Tab 400, and it has an overall length of 18 feet and 3 inches. And this is what it looks like when you first walk in to the Tab 400. The dinette area is located in the front of this teardrop camper, and the bedroom is located in the rear. The Tab 400 has a ceiling height of 6 feet and 5 inches. The kitchen in this teardrop trailer has a sink, and it also has a 2-burner gas stove. And it has a refrigerator. A feature that's unique to the Tab 400 is this round cabinet. And it's also got a curved shaped dinette table. This dinette area also converts into a second sleeping area. And this is what the bedroom area looks like in the Tab 400. And it also has a stargazing window. And this is what the bathroom in the Tab 400 looks like. And this wet bath also comes with a foldable sink. There's 2 more fantastic teardrops coming up. But real quick, I've got my favorite, and I'm going to share it with you in the comments section below. But I want to know which one is your favorite. I'll be checking the comments to see which one you picked. The next largest teardrop camper is the INTECH Soul Horizon, and it has an overall length of 19 feet. Before we step inside, take a look at this gigantic front window. Also unique to the INTECH Soul Horizon is this optional pull-out griddle and cooler. Pretty cool, huh? If you like this feature, you're definitely going to want to watch the full complete walkthrough video tour of this teardrop camper. Okay, come on, let's go on inside. And this is what it looks like when you first walk into the INTECH Soul Horizon. The dinette is located in the front of this teardrop camper, and the bedroom is located in the rear. And the INTECH Soul Horizon has an interior ceiling height of 6 feet 8 inches. I was blown away by this gigantic window. It feels so spacious in here. And I like that 4 people could comfortably hang out in this area. And you guessed it, this teardrop trailer also has a 2-burner gas stove. Another unique feature is this large, deep farmhouse sink. Located next to the dinette table is a microwave. And located below the microwave is a refrigerator. And this is what the bedroom area looks like. Right off the bed area is the bathroom. The Little Guy Max is the largest teardrop trailer with a length of 21 feet. And this is what it looks like when you first walk into the Little Guy Max. The dinette is also located in the front of this teardrop trailer, and the bedroom is in the back. And the interior ceiling height is 6 feet and 7 inches. The kitchen in the Little Guy Max also has a sink and a 2-burner gas stove, a microwave located above the stove, and a refrigerator. Out of these 4 teardrop campers, the Little Guy Max definitely has the most interior storage space, including a floor-to-ceiling pantry. The dinette area in the Little Guy Max also converts into a second sleeping area. And I absolutely love the big windows in this camper. And this is what the bedroom looks like. It's got a really nice stargazing window. And another good-sized window. And this is what the bathroom looks like in the Little Guy Max. As promised, right up here is a complete video tour playlist of each one of these fantastic teardrop campers. So click on the video playlist right here to start watching them now. I can't wait to see you over in that video next.